Hey, welcome back. This is sort of a product use, maybe gift suggestion, but it's something that really I think helps us in our baking process, and it is SilPat. So let me show you what SilPat is. Actually, this is where our baking sheets are stored. Our baking sheets are stored. This is a quarter sheet. That's a half sheet, and then they've got a full sheet, but uh, I don't have a full sheet. And then what goes in that sheet is a roll of SilPat. SilPat, I don't really know what it's made of, but it's not really plastic. It's uh, I don't know what it's made of, but it came from France, and we watch a lot of cooking shows on TV, and they were using SilPat rather than parchment paper or greasing the pan. You don't have to apply any grease to this. I mean, we will make like roasted vegetables, and you do take them in a bowl, and you'll put some oil on them and sort of shake them around with the seasoning, that kind of stuff, and just pour them out on the SilPat. Don't have to worry about greasing it. Cookies, you can cook cookies just right on SilPat. You don't have to grease the pan. So SilPat, I guess I probably need to look and see what it's made of. Put that in the what's it made of, Rochelle?
Well, I think it probably has some silicone in it, but
Oh, silicon. That makes sense because
SilPat.
SilPat. So silicon.
I think one drawback is that you can't use it like above 375.
So you can't get too hot for SilPat and melt it. Also, they don't recommend that you wash it in soapy water. So I usually roll it up, wash most of the things, and then wash it like I do my cast iron. Just water in the rag, and I mean things come off of it. It's made to keep things from sticking to it. But SilPat, that's a recommendation for something that you can get to for whatever size baking sheet you have. I think we've got a couple of them this size, and we've got the larger size. But it's really good, really quick item. Keeps from using too much parchment paper and having to worry about things. I recommend SilPat. That's what works for me mostly.